Let's talk about rent, a problem that's hitting nearly everyone who doesn't own a home. Across the US, rent prices have soared, leaving many wondering how they'll afford a place to live. It all comes down to supply and demand. Too many people want homes in the same places, but there aren't enough to go around. When demand outweighs supply, prices rise, just like bidding for the last slice of cake at a party. Landlords know someone will pay, so rents keep climbing. This leaves renters spending a huge chunk of their income just to keep a roof over their heads. Why is supply so low? Building new apartments takes time, and popular cities attract more people than they can house. Sometimes job booms in certain cities draw crowds, making the shortage worse. The story isn't the same everywhere, but the puzzle is similar. Not enough homes, too many people. The result, a nationwide struggle to find affordable housing. So, why can't we just build more? It's complicated. Zoning laws, construction costs, and local politics all play a part, but the bottom line is simple. When homes are scarce, rents go up. This is the challenge facing renters across the country. Let's dig deeper into how things got this way, and what's changing now. Ready? Let's go. Let's rewind to 2021, when remote work changed everything. Suddenly people realized they could live anywhere, not just near the office. This sparked a migration from big, expensive cities to smaller, more affordable ones. Cities like Austin and Nashville exploded in popularity, but there weren't enough homes for everyone. Demand shot up, supply lagged behind, and rents skyrocketed. Some places saw increases of over 20% in a single year. Longtime residents struggled to keep up, while newcomers paid record prices. Builders rushed to catch up, launching a wave of new apartment construction. Fast forward to today, many of those new buildings are finished and supply is finally catching up in some cities. In places like Austin, rents are actually starting to fall as more apartments become available. The frenzy has cooled, and the market is correcting itself. But not everywhere. Some cities are still feeling the heat. The lesson? When lots of people move in and there aren't enough homes, rents spike. But when builders respond and supply grows, prices can stabilize, or even drop. The rental market is always shifting depending on where you look. What goes up can come down, if enough homes get built. Let's see what's happening in today's hottest markets. In October 2025, some cities are still red-hot rental markets. San Francisco is a prime example. Tech jobs are back in the office and demand for apartments is fierce. For every empty flat, there might be a dozen people competing to rent it. Landlords can raise prices, knowing someone will pay. Many renters stay put to avoid even higher costs, so fewer homes open up. This cycle keeps supply tight and prices high. It's not just San Francisco. Suburbs around Minneapolis, and cities like Chicago and Philadelphia are feeling the squeeze too. In these places, not enough new apartments have been built to meet demand. Even a small increase in renters can send prices soaring. The result? Renters face tough competition, bidding wars, and spend a huge share of their income on housing. It's a stressful, high-stakes game. The shortage isn't just a big city problem. It can happen anywhere. Supply falls behind demand. For many, finding an affordable home feels almost impossible, but in some cities, the story is changing. In cities like Nashville, the rental story has flipped. After years of skyrocketing rents, builders flooded the market with new apartments. Now, there are more homes than renters, and landlords are competing for tenants. Prices are dropping, and renters have more choices. And bargaining power. Some landlords even offer deals, like a free month's rent. This trend is spreading to other former boomtowns in Texas and Florida. Slower job growth and a cooling economy mean less demand for rentals. When supply finally catches up, rents stabilize or fall. It's proof that building more homes can make a real difference. For renters in these cities, relief has finally arrived. So, what's next for renters? Expect a split. Some cities will stay expensive and competitive, while others see rents cool as new buildings open. The national rent surge has slowed, but your experience depends on your local market. Watch for new construction and population shifts. These are the clues to future rent trends. The best long-term fix: build more homes in all shapes and sizes. When supply meets demand, the market balances out. It's a big challenge, but with smart planning, affordable housing is possible. The rental market will keep changing, but understanding the seesaw of supply and demand can help you plan ahead. Here's to a future where everyone can find a place to call home.